What's that?
Where do these go?
That way.
Does this go in this, or it goes like this?
Yeah, I'll show you here in a minute.
Yeah, and then you...
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you figure there? Probably.
Yeah. Bottom ones.
Okay.
Like 2, 3, I don't know. I ain't gonna get that one in there.
That way here.
Yeah, I think so.
Did I move? There. Boom! Look at that
Oh,
shit.
good. Nice.
I like it. What do you think, Bear? And we also put the lucky horseshoe up. That horseshoe was actually found on this property when the house was built. We need to get a dry erase and put a little face.
5, 10, 15, 20.
All right.
The 3,000 ounce target. They need an average.
Set ourselves up a little pub table.
But 11 weeks in, they
Got our
have yet to
drinks.
160, 170, 178,
Watching Gold Rush on there.
178.6.
Get the shelves
hit.
up.
Good job. Mike's trauma is keeping the family afloat with a gold haul worth
It's ready for a brew day.
$1,000.
All right, folks. So, there you've had the multiple parts to the brewery build of Little Face Brewing. It smells like fermenting beer in here. It does. Looky there. We've got 2 beers in ferment. They are a double IPA. One is fermenting out with Quebec, and one with Bry 97. And they're both cooking along pretty well. Pretty well. So, we've got a little pub table down here. Got a chair in the back corner for when I need to sit down and have my back resting upon something. Got my relax, don't worry, have a homebrew picture over there. Got the lucky horseshoe up there. We got shelving here. We've got a keezer here. We've got a fermenting area here. This, I'm actually going to build a fermentation chamber right there, and we have the brew system right here. So, there you have it. This was the brewery build. Now, as time goes on, there's going to be more stuff done here. But as of right now, we are Little Face Brewing. This is Sjporr at Little Face Brewing. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, folks. Brew beer. Brew wonderful beer. Cheers.